All right, everybody. So something a little bit different today. Borrowed this camera from a friend. Had a video that I wanted to shoot up on the house pad with it. Haven't been up there yet, but judging by how much snow is on the ground, I doubt I'll be able to do it. So really been wanting to test this thing out and see what it does. So let's go for a walk up to the house pad. And since this is a 360 camera, you should be able to look around. You don't have to stare at me if you don't want to. So here we go. This is coming in through the driveway. You can see when they pushed up the snow, they gave me a nice little berm right there. So and you can see how much snow we got. We weren't able to get the Terex up to the top of the hill last time we were here because it was snowing. And it's just gotten worse and worse. We've had a bunch of snow this last month, so we were finally able to make it out here last night. Got up and you can see we shoveled out the deck a little bit this morning, and I got up on the roof a little bit last night and shoveled that, make it a little bit safer. So let's see if we can walk up this hill and get a peek around. Maybe it'll be fun for you guys. You can kind of look around if you want, but the driveway has about, I don't know, 3 foot of snow right here. You can see the creek down there in the bottom, and this south facing slope always melts off pretty good, but it's been cold. I think the last snowstorm was about a week and a half ago, but it's been pretty cold, so not much has melted. Man, you can see how much snow is down there in the bottom where the creek's at. Somewhere underneath all that is our, holy cow, if you look right down in there, as you can see it, you can see the burn barrel. That's the top of a barrel down there. Jeez, there's a lot of snow. Holy cow. You can see the south facing slope starting to melt off pretty good. Hopefully the audio on this thing's okay too. You can hear what I'm saying. Hear me breathing. So that's our driveway. Hopefully you can see why we put so much time into working on that. We still have some work to do on it. Make it a little less aggressive. Whew. So this is the first little turn on the driveway, and right over there is the house pad. You can see up here, got our neighbors, and then we got some other neighbors over here. You can see where we've been cutting down trees, getting ready to get up here and start digging everything out. Yeah, that's gorgeous. So right about here is where the front of the house will be, facing off that way, or towards that. and we still got to dig back in here a little bit, get everything ready to start pouring the footings and stuff once snow melts. We're moving along in the permitting process. We got one permit, which was the access permit, the drainage and access permit that you got to file for, and building safety had a bunch of questions and needed to do some stuff there. But coming along, hopefully won't be too long, we'll have some permits. If we had them today, it wouldn't really matter anyways, because obviously we're not ready to start pouring any concrete or anything. So it's at least that'll be out of the way, and we'll be able to start, you know, taking the next steps once we do get those permits. What I really wanted to do with this camera was come up here and kind of do a walk around so that you guys could get a feel for, you know, what it is that we're building and where. But I'll have to do that next time. You can't really see anything underneath all this snow. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Wanted to try something new. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think of this. Like it if you like this. Maybe we'll do some more videos with this thing. I thought it was kind of cool. Hopefully it doesn't come off as too gimmicky. And we'll see you next time.